What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. And today we're gonna be talking about duffel bags. Alright y'all, so no intro needed on this one. Today's video is going to be about duffel bags. I'm going to show you guys two of the duffel bags that I currently have been using and the latest pickup that we're going to get to in a minute right here. So this, I don't know the exact name of it, but this is one of the Coach bags that I've been using for a mighty long time. Took it on a couple trips and stuff with me. Nothing's wrong with it. Love it. Absolutely love it, right? Been using that. I'm going to toss that to the side. From there, I went ahead and picked up the 1 million Cologne. This stuff smells great, by the way, so I've been told, you feel me? And with my purchase of that came this duffel bag. Now, this is the million duffel bag right here. Again, came with the purchase. Problem with this duffel bag, though, is that it didn't really last too long. I loved it. The quality and all that stuff, as far as the materials that it's made of, it's up to par. You know, I can fit a good amount of clothes and stuff like that in it. But after about a year, this thing no longer actually zips up, so that is not a good look. And I guess that's probably why they threw it in free with the purchase of the Cologne there. So when I zip it, y'all can see the bag stays 100% open. Then we're gonna go ahead and zip it to the other side. And as you guys can see, the bag still does not close. So thumbs up to the Cologne, thumbs down to the bag, unless I can find a way to fix it. So we're gonna toss that to the side. Now we're gonna actually be using this right here. This is my latest pickup, the Nike Utility Power training duffel bag right here, right? I believe this is the medium size, or it could be the large size. But what I can tell you for sure is that this is the hardest colorway in the lineup. I promise you that this is the hardest colorway, to me at least, to me, right? This is the wheat colorway of this duffel bag, man. This thing is got a lot of features, especially compared to the other ones that just has the basic pockets and they look cool. You know, this one actually has a lot of space to do, you know, pack a lot of shit up in this bag. That's basically what I'm trying to say. It just looks real nice too with the colors, man, with this little, what is this, like a pinkish, reddish, orangish color. I really don't know how to describe it, but I think just the combo of both of these colors together is just great. If you guys are interested in this bag, by the way, it's like the point of this video. There's gonna be a link below so y'all can purchase it and y'all can see the other little okay colorways, and then y'all might come across, if they still actually have this one available, the hardest colorway, again, in my opinion, right here, right? So there's no compartments or nothing like that on the back. However, on the side here, you do have this mesh compartment where, again, you can put your water bottles or whatever else you may want to throw in there. I'm pretty sure you could fit like a iPad or whatever else. Again, I know it's a sports bag, but I ain't really using it to be putting cleats and all that type of stuff in the bag. But again, on the front here, we do have one very large pocket. Again, I am going to be opening these because I've already packed it. I'm going to show you guys the amount of stuff that I was able to fit in here. On this side, you do have another large pocket, a little pocket in the front. And then again, on this side where we started at, where the handle is at, there's actually another pocket right here. So we're going to start off with the side. Let's see if I have anything in this side compartment here. Just showing you guys what it looks like when it's full. And in the side, this is actually where I actually packed the camera. You guys ain't gonna see it obviously because I'm using my camera now to set it up, but the lens cap cover for my camera, as well as another wide security camera. I got security all over the place, so that's just another one that I got there. But in this pocket, that's all that I have in here. Nice size pocket space right there. Again, I didn't really have too much filled up in it. And as I'm packing this bag or unpacking it, I'm packing it again because this is a real life package bag that I've actually been using because I got somewhere to go. So I'm just showing y'all real quick before I head out. So on the other side here, again, I showed you guys that there's a handle to hold the bag. Go ahead and unzip it. And what do you know, guys, you could fit a pair of shoes in here. So these are just some other Nikes I had. I forget the exact name of these pair of Nikes, but these are pretty cool. I do wear size like 10 and a half up to like 11. So that is like an average shoe size, right? And you can fit a whole pair of shoes here in the bag. Keep in mind though, these are low top. So if you have some, you know, higher top shoes, they might not fit. But for me, in a size 10 and a half, those fit great in there. Not squished, not nothing like that. Just make sure you stand them straight up again like I just had them. Perfect fit, everything is good, right? And the dope thing about that is this compartment is separate from the compartment where the clothes and stuff like that are at. We're gonna get to that in a sec. Front compartment right here, we're gonna switch this over to the side. What do I have in here? Nothing too much, but again, I was using this to record on the go. So I do have my battery charger for my camera here. I do have a charger for my phone right here. And that is actually all I have in here at this point, but I do want to show you guys this compartment as well. If I could just lean it for y'all. Hopefully y'all give me some slack on this video, man, because I don't normally be doing reviews like this, at least not yet. But we're gonna start it up again. But anyway, y'all can see it, right? enough space in there. So that's quite a bit of space. Again, we're packing and unpacking at the same time. It ain't gonna take too long, so y'all can see it. So I ain't gotta make 2 videos of, you know, what's in my bag. Y'all seeing it right now. Y'all seeing the bag and what's packed in it at the same damn time. You feel me? Other one right here on the other side. We're gonna go ahead and unzip this. What do I have in here? Don't ask me why I got this in here, y'all, but it's a do-rag. It's a do-rag. Now, if I don't feel like shaving my head sometimes, I'll just throw on a do-rag. There's your answer right there. I went ahead and told y'all anyway. If I go ahead and let my hair grow too long, I just throw on a do-rag, because sometimes I might put on a hat, but I can always throw on a do-rag, get away with it. It's whatever, right? All right, so next pocket. Pull this down. What do I have in here? Nothing. I swear I thought I had something in there, but again, this is just another large compartment. Throw anything in there, right? We're gonna go ahead and undo the strap there. Opens on this side here. Boom. All right, now I have something in here that the average person probably wouldn't put in a sports bag, but I'll be on the go and I still got work to complete. So I actually have my whole computer bag in here with the computer, all my cords. It ain't a laptop review, but we got that there sitting on top. We got some Nike basketball shorts right here. Not that y'all need to see all the clothes and everything, but I'm just gonna show y'all again what's in my bag, you feel me? So we got that here. We have one outfit right here. It's not an outfit review, so I ain't gonna show y'all, but pretty much we got some pants, we got the shirt, we got the drawers, we got the socks, we got everything. So that's one whole outfit right there. We got some loungewear right here, sweatpants, t-shirt, socks, boxers, some Nike Elite socks right there. Boom, that's 2 outfits. We got 3 right here. Some more sweatpants, tracksuit, whatever, dry fit t-shirt, drawers, socks, you know, same stuff like that, right? We're gonna pile that right on up. And then we have another tracksuit right here, some lounge pants, some more Nike socks, y'all can see, dry fit t-shirt, and that's it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 outfits and just another pair of basketball shorts. And then this side of the bag is mostly empty. I'll show you guys the little side compartments in here as well. So plenty of space in here. There is another netted compartment in here. We have some beard butter right here, deodorant. We got the pick for the beard. We got a razor for shaving. I told y'all, just in case I didn't feel like shaving, we can actually just throw on a do-rag, but I do got the razor right here. We got some floss, you feel me? And your boy forgot the toothbrush. So I need to make sure I throw a toothbrush in the bag before y'all clown me. If y'all notice that, I ain't gonna be able to pull out a toothbrush out of here. But your boy got his inhaler too, because I got asthma, you feel me? I got asthma. Hey, asthma ain't never stopped a kid though, man. I played football, ran track, did everything, but I still gotta keep an inhaler on deck, you feel me? Always gotta be safe. So like I said, this is a packing slash unpacking slash repacking the bag. So now we're gonna go ahead and toss this in here. Again, as you guys may have noticed too, like I told you, the shoes that are in the side of this compartment right here, they're not touching the inside of this bag at all. So you ain't gotta worry about your shoes, because they're actually right up in here. You ain't gotta worry about your shoes, you know, getting all up on your clothes if you just went for a run or something like that. You ain't gotta worry about it. So now we're gonna go ahead and repack the bag. And then we're gonna go ahead and get a toothbrush and put that in here as well, because we definitely need that. Can't go nowhere without a toothbrush. For y'all that want to roast your boy, at least I have some floss in there, man. Y'all be flossing every day? That's like the #1 thing my dentist used to always tell me. He said, you brush your teeth every day? I said, of course I brush my teeth every day. He said, you floss every day? I'd be like, shit, if I get some steak stuck in my teeth? He said, oh, no, man, you gotta floss every day. I said, you know what? All right, man. I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna listen this time. I'm gonna go ahead and buy a bunch of floss. And I started flossing every day, just like I was instructed to do so, because you feel me? These bills be getting high, man. I ain't got time to keep going back to the dentist, you feel me? So I'm actually taking the wise advice and doing what I need to do. So again, y'all see me packing the bag, unpacked it, repacking it. Again, this is a pretty thick bag here too. Laptop, it's got 3 different compartments. We ain't doing a review on this bag, but do have a 15.6-inch laptop in this bag for you guys that want to know the correct sizing and stuff like that. See if you can get it in there. Some of my other bags, not the other duffel bags I might have just shown you guys, but I do have another backpack that I travel with that has a whole compartment to put, you know, a laptop and stuff. This one, I just had to put the whole entire laptop bag in here to make it fit. So again, it still zips up, no problem. I ain't gotta squish it in there at all. And last but not least, you guys might want to see some pictures or footage of me actually having the bag on. So let's go ahead and get that knocked out for y'all. Yeah, there it is. So you can hold the bag like that, right? In case you just in a rush, you want to pull it off, you know, throwing it in the bus in the bottom or something like that. Get the handle, go ahead and pull it out. You good to go right there, right? This is how it looks like that, right? And the way that I'm going to be rocking it, again, got the padding. You could throw it over just one shoulder like that. I think it looks pretty cool to me. As much stuff is in here, it's not even heavy at all. You can throw it over, do the double shoulder look. This is how we looking. You know, easy access. You can get to your stuff pretty quick. You ain't gotta unzip the entire bag to get to the small pocket. So, you know, that's one pocket, 2 pockets, ain't nothing in there. Boom, boom, boom. What we got right here? 3 pockets. Phone charger, netted thing in there. Another charger for the camera like I showed y'all. Quick access to the side compartment right here for a water bottle, whatever. Quick access to get your shoes. You need to pull your shoes out like I showed y'all. Boom, separate compartment there. I really do like this duffel bag. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all want to pick it up, if y'all interested in it, hit the link in the description. I'm gonna try to include a link. Again, this is the Nike Utility Power duffel bag in the wheat colorway. If you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a comment below, let me know, and I'll try to keep them coming for y'all. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.